don't know what to do. My teammates are in shitty spots.
There's so much open door, and they just stand there like fucking enemy. Then on defense, they just stand next to each other. Get open when you're on offense. Guard the other player when you're on defense. They're like opposite. They fucking stand next to the opponent on offense, and then stand in the open on defense. They make no fucking sense. They're fucking shit.
Oh, Elisa.
No!
We just let. No, beat boss.
Beat boss! You just got abused!
Are you kidding me? Yeah, hang your head in shame. That's the most embarrassing crap that's happened to us on Wii Sports since probably 20 minutes. Oh my god. Beat boss, get back!
Get back! The game's on the fucking line. What does Beat boss do? Oh, do I gotta go back there? Of course I fucking do! You dumb fuck! No! Stop doing that! I go to hit it, and then he just decides, oh, I'm gonna switch hands, actually.
This game really does not want Abby to lose. I can... No! Abby's not invisible, I know that much! Why the fuck did we pass it right to...
How did you not sweat? Oh, that's no! Are you kidding me? We're fucked now! We're essentially fucked!
Somehow, we always end up out of position on defense!
How the fuck did that always happen? Do we not fucking learn?
Well, our pitching just went from, oh yeah, we got it on, to freaking everything I throw is...
Stop doing! And my team's doing 2 fucking exclamation points in a row!
Why?
Why? We're down by fucking already, and you wanna go in for it too?
I missed
You are the worst shooter in the fucking planet, Beat boss! You suck! You suck fucking dick!
Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm just here with the Wii remote. Fucking, you know, I'm just moving it around for no particular reason.
I don't want you to swing around me at the fucking ball! We gotta fucking do it!
I am so sick of seeing this.
How do we miss? What are we doing with the rocket? She's scissoring you so hard, Maven! It's not even funny, you're getting fucked right in front of your face and you don't even know it! I hate you, you bitch!
This is absolutely rigged. How many times have I seen them hit the corner of the table like that and it's in? I do it and it's out. It's his point because you...
This fucking big-ass mouth! Shut your fucking weak counsel dick! That's why you have such a big, stupid-ass looking smile face!
Oh, come on. What's the game? I could've...
We lose this bitch or even tie this game now, and it's Wukong's fault!
I am so confused why it's so hard. If I put the Wii remote to the right, I want him to hold it to the right. If I put the Wii remote to the left, I want him to hold it backhand. All right? Right, yes, left, yes, right,
Right!
left, right.
Right! Why is it so hard? My Wii remote's all the way over here! No! Right!
Left, right. What? This is like, it's a clear, unobstructed view from my sensor bar right now, and he's just not putting it to the right. It's like he's scared. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
No! I didn't hold. Piece of fucking crap! That bunch of crap that I was gonna give up! You did it again! I give up forward! Fuck!
Fucking slow beat buster.
Slower than fucking bits! Get your fat fucking ass off the ground!
I think if they get one more point, it's mercy rule.
Swing!
God damn it. That wasn't...
How do you not get that? Why are you guys like inches away from me picking up the fucking ball? Pick it up!
No, no. And then I get my fill... There's our far away. Our far away means that she can't hit it, but we also don't even hit the fucking table. That's a key. That's a key part of the game.
Hit the table! If Lucia, she fucks you! Why do you not want faster? Why are you such a lazy black piece of shit? I don't know what to do! I don't know what to do!
Oh boy. No. It's a joke! Focus. Nope. 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 How freaking great is it to make it 11 shots in a row, then miss 4 straight?
That's exactly where I wanted to put it! Thank you! Oh my god!
Beat boss, suck my wiener!
Job!
So how does it... I'm gonna lose. After this dominating performance, I'm gonna fucking lose. This is ridiculous, Helen. You're getting so goddamn lucky.
Fuck you!
God damn it. Yep, this is how it starts. Because I go to the right with my Wii remote and Beef Butt just stays in the left. Because I definitely want to hit it off the table again. I just love doing that.
I fucking got a sick throw off of the beat bus. Yes! Keep doing it!
I don't know if 2 seconds... No!
We don't fucking clap for time!
Ow! My fucking finger! You piece of shit Wii remote jammed it! You motherfucker.
Oh, you jammed my finger! Where the fuck are you going? Stop!
And you still hit me!
Oh! Oh! You're making me fucking lose it! What are you doing with the ball?
It's 7. And then...
You wanna die?
It's when I'm feeling best! It's like I had that! I had a good rhythm right there! Beef boss! Wow! How many times are you going to do that and not learn what's going to happen? He loves to just stand there.
Stand there and do more time! And expect you, Tommy, not to fucking swipe the ball! How stupid are you?
2 games in a row. We can't make the
First shot!
You know, I'm so damn determined.
I'm going to lose it if
Stop going in. We want to take... We are not tying this game. This is a game-winning 3 situation.